Good morning, my dear students. Class, today we are going to start with the syllabus of class 9, sorry. And the very first chapter is a computer system. Class, you all are aware of this computer system you have been doing from very junior classes. So it is just an introduction of the book, you can say. So, class starting with introduction to computer. Computer is a device that manipulates data according to the set of instruction called program. Means if we give different commands to the computer process it and give the desired result. So this is the basic. Now talking about the characteristics of computer, you all know speed. Number 1, computer has a capability to solve our problem in a very short time. Means computer is very fast and computer works in 4 to 100 million of instructions per second. MIPS, this is the full form of MIPS, millions of instruction per second. This one. So class, you should learn this. Now talking about the storage. During the storage, we deals with kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte. You all know about it because you are using mobile very frequently and you all know about this. But if we talk about the storage, there is the primary storage and the auxiliary storage. Main memory storage, main memory and the secondary memory. Main memory, computers RAM and ROM. And if we talk about the secondary memory, hard disk, floppy disk, compact disk, magnetic tape storage. So different devices are available nowadays to keep your data stored out of the computer. So that is the secondary one, and main memory is internal memory. Now accuracy, you all know computer always give a consistent result, that is accurate result. Consistency. Next, versatile. We can use computer for different purposes, for music, for storing data, for billing, for banking purpose. Nowadays computer is all over, you all know, because of its versatility. Automation. Automation means computer take the operations and solve it logically. Logic. Logic works on the logic. So हम कोई गलत कमांड दे के वी कैन नॉट रन इट, वी हैव टू गिव अ लॉजिकल कमांड्स, वी हैव टू गिव अ perfect inputs to the computer. Now diligence, computer never get tired, you all know it is an electronic device, so it all works on the electrical energy, so it never get tired. Reliability. Reliability again is the consistency only, means computer always give a accurate result. Cost. Nowadays cost has been decreasing regularly because new technologies are coming and new technology consists cheaper rate to manufacture computer. That's all class. Next is use of computer in everyday life. We do documentation, entertainment, general knowledge, email, internet, all this you all know. That is the versatility of the computer. Computer is used everywhere nowadays. Scheduling and calendar, as we do in mobile also reminders, similarly in computer also we can do the scheduling and calendar facilities available. Now application of computer, different sectors, this we have already studied. Education, banking sector, nowadays you have different apps to work with banking sector and education also. Nowadays we are using Google Meet for education purpose, for live classes, different apps are available. So that is possible just because of computer only. Last is the desktop publishing. means designing. As you have seen different pamphlets available, जो पैम्पलेट लगाए जाते हैं एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए, वो डेस्कटॉप पब्लिशिंग का पार्ट होता है. दैट्स द पार्ट ऑफ द डेस्कटॉप पब्लिशिंग. नेक्स्ट लिमिटेशन, computer do not work itself. You all know we have to give a command to it. So different limitations are there. You read it and you will come to know. Now functions of the computer: input, output, process and the storage. We give input, computer give process and finally the output, and sometimes we store the data also. So that's the thing, we call it a IPO cycle. IPO cycle, very important, and in examination also it comes, what is IPO cycle, so you have to write the same. So input through the keyboard, mouse, we do the input to the computer, CPU do the processing of it, output devices like monitor, video, we call it a video also, and the printer and the plotter, these are the certain output devices. Storage devices, we all know, in computer hard disk is there, and outside we call it pen drive, we use floppy disk, CD, DVD, different storage devices are there. So this is the structure of the computer. You all should know कि कंप्यूटर में क्या क्या होता है. इनपुट होता है, आउटपुट होता है, और बीच में प्रोसेसिंग होती है. CPU कंट्रोल यूनिट, ALU अर्थमेटिक एंड लॉजिकल यूनिट, मेमोरी एंड द सेकेंडरी मेमोरी. मेमोरी, दिस इज द प्राइमरी मेमोरी, that is RAM and ROM, and this is the secondary memory, hard disk, CD, DVD, all these are the. And main thing is the processor. Under processor there are two, this. Performance of the computer, you all know computer works very fast, and better the computer you will purchase, better performance will be there nowadays. i3, i7 processor if you will take, performance will be better. More memory you will keep, RAM you will keep, performance will be better. Now the next concept is binary concept. Binary concept is a computer is a machine, and computer know only two things, 0 and 1. We call it a off, on, true, false, and the true, like this. So computer deals with 0 and 1, everything with the 0 and 1. You might have done the conversion also, decimal number to binary number, hexadecimal to binary, octal to binary. It is done by the computer itself. Whatever the instruction you give, computer convert the same into binary, that is in the form of 0 and 1, and finally process it. Now talking about the memory measurement, this is to be note down in your notebook. 1 kilobyte is equals to 1024 byte, 1 megabyte is equals to 1024 kilobyte, 1 gigabyte is equals to 1024 megabyte, 1 terabyte is equals to 1024 gigabyte. And finally, under the introduction, computer communication technology. We all are using communication technology nowadays, that is www, that is a website, host, e-learning we are using, net banking we are using, emailing we are using, e-commerce, and all this GPS facility we are using, all this under the communication purpose only, from one computer to another, from one mobile to another mobile. So class, these are some keywords that you have to do, you have to read. So class, today you go through this chapter only, and in next class we will do the question answers. I will tell you which question to be done. You all should purchase the book as fast as you can, because without book you will not be able to understand everything. That's all class. Do well.